what's up? This is Brian Pfeiffer with ExploringLasVegas.com. I'm standing here, guys, today in front of the Notoriety Theater. You can see in the background there, it's the entrance, and we just saw the Diva Royale show, okay? This is a drag show. If you guys are familiar with the drag show, it's basically transgender men that dress up in drag, and they put on a performance. And I've been to several drag brunches and shows here in Las Vegas, and they're all kind of the same, all right? I'm not a huge drag fan, but the people that like drag, okay, they really like these shows, okay? They're kind of like feel good, if you will, make you, you know, kind of uplifting. You know, it's not expensive, and you come here and have some drinks and friends and make a fun night out of it. We walked in here. It was a 7:30 show. It's a new show for the Notoriety Theater. I think there was a show before. They call it Fabulous. I think it kind of morphed into this, and now it's called the Diva Royale. It's probably a similar type of concept, a little bit better production now, I think. And it was a packed house. You know, it's a Saturday night here, and it was a you know, not every single table was full, but they had just about every table full. So it was, you know, solid. People were really into it. The way that, you know, the kind of show goes down, you know, kind of an intro, and then, you know, there's different sets, like 2-song sets. I think they had Adele, and then Beyoncé, and then Nicki Minaj. Okay, Nicki Minaj was the third one. And then we had to dip out. I had to go do a video at another place, have dinner with another group. Hey, what's going on, man? What's up? What's up? So they're clowning over there. Anyway, so, you know, we didn't get to stay for the whole show, but, you know, I'm not a huge drag fan, so I wasn't going to sit there and watch it if I didn't have to. So I went over and had some dinner, and now we're coming back over here. And they have another show, which I'm doing another video on later here on the channel if you want to check out the Hunk-o-Mania show. That's a new male revue that's over here at the Notoriety Theater. So anyway, we do have tickets for sale for the Diva Royale show. If you guys want to come check it out, we have lots of different stuff, you know, brewing with several places around here that have open bar, dinner. That's one of the places I was just checking out. So, you know, we'll set up packages, basically, where you come down here and have, you know, a nice dinner, and then you can come over here and have an open bar, drink for free for an hour or two. Not free, but, you know, obviously a reduced amount, and then, you know, come over here to catch a show, maybe a male review or the Diva Royale show, whatever you're into. And then, you know, we have other bars and stuff set up with open bar, or like a buy one, get one drink type of thing. So tons of different packages we're going to be offering down here for Fremont Street. Good for, you know, the coming times here. I feel like we're going into maybe a little bit less prosperous times, and some of the bachelorettes we are working with these days have tighter budgets, and this is going to be kind of place that'll fulfill those needs. And you can still have a fun night. A lot of people down here, a lot of action, just maybe a little bit more on the budget-friendly side than what you might get on the Las Vegas Strip. So I'm going to put my number above, 773-459-8133. Make sure you hit me up if you have any questions or you want to check out the packages. Just click on the link below. That'll bring you over to the website. You know, a lot of the packages will be there. We're still building out some of the stuff. We should have a lot more coming up online here in the next month or two. And, you know, make sure you like this video if you like the content. Do subscribe to this channel for more, and bang the notifications bell. I'm Brian Pfeiffer, signing out here from the Diva Royale show at the Notoriety Theater here on Fremont Street. And get your tickets below. I'm looking forward to working with you. Talk soon. Bye.